Okay, let's inspect hive number 2. This is a flow hive. Was a gift. And it's 8 frame brood. Same thing. I'm going to move kind of quickly. What I'm really about here is I want to see how this brood's developing. And used all this syrup. And you know, because we're looking towards how we're going to be adding. Alright. Oh, I forgot to smoke it. Give me just a second. Alright, a little smoke at the entrance. I am realizing you don't need a lot of smoke. It's a very overcast day, thunderstorms in the area, but everything's fine. I might have to kneel for this one. This isn't kind of a bad spot, I mentioned that before. I'm working from the back of the hive. I'm not supposed to be working at the front side. Okay, here we go. That's what we're seeing under the cover. Gently put these over here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna kneel. Maybe just a touch more smoke. I'm going real light. They say too much gets them excited. Okay, frame number 8 on the outside. Just slide it over. Let's see what's happening. Pretty much nothing. Okay? You see that? There's nothing happening here at all. There's a drone. 2 drones. So I'm going to put that in the holder. Alright. Frame number 2. Quick look for the queen. I don't see her. This is almost fully drawn out on the inside. I'm not seeing larvae here. Okay, let's flip it over. They've started on this side. Quick look for the queen. Alright, I'm going to put that back in. I did see larvae on that other one. I just failed to mention it. Frame number 3. Almost full drawn, capping off. Larvae, lots of larvae. Looking for the queen. Have larvae. We know she was here not too long ago. I'm not seeing her there. Flip. Now again, if I don't see her, I'm not panicking. I see a drone. Because I'm told as long as I see that she's working, I'm okay. And we've already seen the larvae. So we'll put that back in. The sun just came out. The dog's over here. I'm not so sure that's a good idea. Took down the barrier. Oh, look at this capping. Lots of larvae, lots of larvae. A lot of capping. Okay. Can you see that good? Looking for the queen. I'm not seeing her. She's been here though. A lot of larvae being capped off. A lot of caps here. See larvae again. Looking for the queen. I'm not seeing her right now. I do see egg. Okay. Try to be as gentle as I can. This frame handling really needs, it's a skill. And I am working on developing. Alright, let's take another one. So we've got 2 frames fully drawn, both sides. Look at the capping here. Look for the queen quickly. The dog is getting them excited. They're on the dog. Alright, I got a bit of a problem here. My dog is being attacked. I'm going to close this hive up. They're all over him. Oh, it looks like flies actually. I think he's fine. Okay, now it's fully drawn. We're getting some pretty excited bees here. I think the dog being not too far away is shaking them up. Fully drawn, capping larvae. Alright. You can see they're kind of shook up. Almost fully drawn. This is frame number 7. I'm just not seeing that queen. Like, oh, he's fine now. They're not bothering him anymore. But they're getting excited. Another no-no. Keep him farther away when you do this. Let's take a look at number 8 quickly. We're getting to some hum here now, huh? There's the queen. She's right there. See her? Can you see her? She's right there. Right there. Okay, back in she goes. She was way out on frame number 8. So we've seen our queen. We have larvae. We're drawing out on 5.5 frames out of 8. We're going to button this up. Dog's getting stung. Oh, I guess he knows now not to come over here. He's not having a very good time. He's not howling. We're both learning. Okay, so let's button this up. Call this done. We saw the queen in both hives. I think I even showed it to you, which would be like really cool. Again, I'm going to put a feeder on until I hear different from the coach. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm sure Samson will, he's fine. He's routing around. Well, I don't know, everything looks good. We've seen the queen in both cases. Getting better at that. A lot of brood. Look like they're building up nicely. We got a feeder in there. Put a cover on. Okay, that wraps it up. So, third inspection's done, 19 days in. As you saw, there's a lot of brood being developed. We saw both queens, they're really blooming up, they're getting big. Looks like a healthy hive to me. See what the coach says.